Okay guys, so you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video we are going to fix Shadowfight 3 server connection problem. So if you are having the server connection problem or issue on your device, this is what you have to do. So first of all, you go to your phone menu, then you try to search for your phone settings, or you go to your settings. So after that, what you have to do next is tap on this app and notification or app and management. So after tapping on that, so you're going to see your apps over here. You tap on the see all apps, and when you tap on the see all apps, you're going to see all your apps over here. So what you have to do is to search for Shadowfight 3. So you tap on the search bar over here, then you type in Shadowfight. So when you tap in the Shadowfight 3, you're going to see Shadowfight 3 over here. You tap on it. So after tapping on it, what you have to do next is to tap on the storage and cache. So when you tap on the storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Then after that, tap on clear storage over here, then you tap on OK. After doing this, go back. So when you go back, tap on force stop over here, then tap on OK. So after doing this, tap on notifications. So when you tap on notifications, make sure all the notifications are turned on. It's very important. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go back. So when you get back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Sometimes you're going to see mobile connections and Wi-Fi. So just tap on it, and after that, you are going to see background data. So when you see this off, just try to turn it on. It's very important also. Then you go to your phone menu again. So when you get to your phone menu, try to search for Play Store. So when you find Play Store, just tap on it. So after tapping on it, what you have to do next is you tap on the Google Play or the search apps over here at the top. Then you search Shadowfight 3. So when you search for it, you're going to see it and tap on it. So when you tap on it, you're going to see updates at the play section over here. So where they've written play over here, you're going to see update on your phone. So when you see update, just tap on the update. But when you see play over here, just go back and restart or reboot your phone. But when you see update, tap on the update. So after updating your phone or your app is going to be like my own. You're going to see uninstall and play over here. So after doing that, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for 3 seconds or 2 seconds, and you're going to see this. Then you tap on the restart or the reboot, then you tap on OK, and your phone is going to restart, and after restarting, everything is going to be fixed. So this is how to fix Shadowfight 3 server connection problem. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.